Yes, I got the car pretty much put together. I got some things I need to do because I did some wiring wrong. I'm gonna spin it over, see if we get oil pressure and all that good jazz. So let's see what we got. So I don't have the battery and stuff in or anything, so I'm just gonna jump it off the Suburban. But I got everything together. I'm building it up like that. Fuel pump's turned off. We're not gonna get any fuel. There's no plug wires, so we're not gonna get any spark. And we're just here to see if we can spin it over and get a little oil pressure. Still got a whole bunch of shit going on inside here. So let's see what we can come up with here. See if it'll. So we got power and everything, so we're gonna try to give her a spin over and see what happens. And we got nothing.